What if you could record one video and get 10 pieces of content out of it, without touching a single edit? No timeline scrubbing, no cutting, no syncing captions by hand. Just paste a link, wait a few minutes, and walk away with short clips ready to post. That's exactly what we're doing today. I'm going to show you a two-tool workflow using Opus Clip and CapCut that does the heavy lifting for you. And both tools have a free tier, so you can follow along right now. Here's what most people run into. You record a great video, a podcast, a webinar, a team training, a product walkthrough, and then it just sits there. Because editing takes forever. You have to watch the whole thing back, find the good parts, cut them down, add captions, adjust the pacing, export it in the right format for each platform. It's a 2-hour job just to get one clip. So most people don't bother. The content just never gets made. Sound familiar? That's the problem we're solving today. The new way looks completely different. You record your video once, or you already have one sitting in your Google Drive or YouTube channel. You drop it into Opus Clip, and AI watches the whole thing for you. It identifies the most engaging moments, scores them by how likely they are to hold attention, and automatically cuts them into short clips with captions already on them. Then you take those clips into CapCut, which is a free editing app, and you spend maybe 5 minutes polishing, adding a background, tweaking the text style, or dropping in a trending sound. That's it. One source video becomes a week's worth of content. Let me walk you through what each tool actually does, so you understand why this combination works so well. Opus Clip is an AI clipping tool. You give it a long video, could be up to 3 hours, and it analyzes the whole thing using AI. It's not just cutting at random. It's looking for moments where the energy picks up, where you make a strong point, where the conversation gets interesting. It scores each clip from 0 to 100 based on what it thinks will perform best on short-form platforms. The free plan gives you 60 minutes of video processing per month, which is enough to test it out. The paid plan removes that limit and adds a few extra features like custom branding. Okay, let me walk you through the actual workflow step by step. Step 1. Get your video into Opus Clip. You can paste a YouTube or Loom link directly, or upload an MP4. Opus Clip works on your video in the background, usually takes 5 to 15 minutes depending on length. While it processes, you can set a few options: what platform you're clipping for, portrait or landscape, and whether you want it to include captions automatically. Here's what this looks like in practice. A 30-minute podcast episode can produce 8 to 12 short clips. If you post 2 a day, that's a full week of content from one recording session. Opus Clip users report saving an average of 4 to 6 hours per week on video editing. And because the clips are pulled from real conversations rather than scripted content, they tend to perform better. They feel authentic, not produced. The numbers on short form are also worth knowing. Instagram Reels get 3 times more reach than regular posts on average. YouTube Shorts drive subscribers to long-form channels. TikTok still has the highest organic reach of any platform right now. One good clip can bring in hundreds of followers. And you made it in 5 minutes. If you're wondering how this stacks up against other options, hiring a video editor runs anywhere from $20 to $100 per clip depending on who you work with. Tools like Descript or Riverside.fm also do AI clipping, but they're more expensive and have a steeper learning curve. Opus Clip and CapCut are the most accessible combination for someone who just wants to get content out the door without spending hours learning a new tool. The free tiers are genuinely usable, not crippled trial versions. If you've got a long video sitting around that you never got around to clipping, go try Opus Clip today. The free plan gives you 60 minutes and you'll know within the first batch of clips whether this workflow is for you. Then grab CapCut to desktop version, it's free, and spend 20 minutes on your first polish pass. You'll be surprised how fast it goes. If this was helpful, hit subscribe. I put out videos every week on tools like this, practical stuff for people who want to use AI without having to become a tech person. Leave a comment below and tell me what type of content you'd want to repurpose. I read everyone.